Hello everybody, Happy New Year. I am back with another vlog. This time I'm showing you what I did for my birthday this year. I'm gonna take you guys along to some of the places I went to. If you want to see what I got up to on my birthday during a lockdown, stick around and keep watching. So on the first day, I started off with a nice brunch, which was a chicken and waffle sandwich that I made in the air fryer. Uncooked chicken tenders, frozen, made those in the air fryer, and then I toasted up some frozen waffles, seasoned it up with Cajun seasoning, and it was amazing. And then after I had my breakfast absolutely demolished, I put some oil in my hair because I really wanted to do a sort of a spa day. So this is the Amla hair oil. It has a bunch of different oils mixed in. It's supposed to be really moisturizing for your hair. So while I was chilling out and making my hair nice and silky, I decided to clean up my room a little bit, as you can see there. And then it was time to tend after my beloved plants. So I took it downstairs and I gave it some light. And the way that I water my plants is I basically give it a bath. So I fill up a bowl with water and I will plop the plant in about an inch of the way up. And I've read that watering from the bottom is better for the plant in a way because it lets the roots actually, I guess, soak up the water better. So I left it in there for 15-20 minutes and let that sort of soak up the water nicely. Just make sure that you properly drain the plant after you take it out. After that, I got a huge package sent from a certain somebody. I'm not going to say who, but it was a chocolate birthday cake from Magnolia. It was a ginormous package that got delivered on Saturday, so we decided to cut my cake on Saturday even though my birthday was on that Monday. But this smelled so good. Literally one of the best chocolate cakes I've ever had. I could smell the chocolate through the plastic, and it's so delicious. I had a nice time eating that the entire week. So while I was getting the cake ready, I had to get myself ready. So I did some makeup, which you'll see here in a little bit, using the Tarte Light of the Holiday Party palette. I did a bronzy smoky eye with a very heavy burgundy lip just to match this red and gold dress, which I got from Nasty Gal, I feel like, last year. So that was Saturday. And then Sunday was a brand new day, beautiful weather, nice and sunny and chilly. I didn't get up to much. What did I do this day? So the first thing that I did was I worked out because I wanted to be a little bit healthy. I've been doing these body project workouts, which I really enjoy. They're super easy to do, but they always make you sweat, so definitely check those out. And then after I showered and got, my breakfast, I decided to read a little bit of Quran just to, relax my mind a little bit. And after that, I decided to organize my shoes that were under my bed just to keep track of, I forgot what's in those boxes, to be honest, so I wanted to reorganize them. And there you see all stacked up under my bed. So that was Sunday. I didn't really do much on Sunday. Monday, which is the actual birthday, I got up in the morning. I took the day off from work, so I went downstairs, made myself some chocolate oatmeal, which is really yummy. You throw in some dark chocolate, cocoa powder, a little peanut butter, like half a teaspoon, and I cook it with almond milk, and I throw a little bit of cinnamon in there as well and some brown sugar. And it gets nice and chocolatey like this, and I throw some frozen blueberries on top, which add nice pops of coldness, and then the blueberry juice also kind of seeps into the oatmeal. It's really delicious. And I ate that while watching my all-time favorite shows, which is The Golden Girls. I love that show so much. After breakfast, I got ready because I was headed out to get my hair done for the first time since, COVID. So it's been a year since I got my last haircut at this point, and I was super excited. So, I got my outfit together, which was what you see here. I got this coat from Mango on Black Friday for $60, and it's a 70% wool, so it's super warm. I thought, that was a really good deal. So then I drove to where the salon is, and it's by the waterfront, so you see an amazing view of New York City, which I'll show you more of in a little bit. And then I went into the salon for the first time in a year since COVID. It was so amazing. I forgot how much I missed getting my hair shampooed. So this was the result right after I got done. And then I took a walk down by the waterfront. It was really quiet. Usually the city is so busy, but nobody was out. And I kind of had the park to myself. And you can see how nice the skyline looks here. Yeah, it was nice to see the city skyline again, because I haven't been going out or anything like that, and I just took some time for myself, which was nice. Hello. So I just got my haircut done, and my hair is nice and styled. Do I like it? I don't know yet. I can't tell. I feel like every time I come out from the salon, the hair always looks a bit flatter than I like it, but there I am. So yeah, it was really nice just to get my hair done. It's always so relaxing. So I'm gonna head back home now, and then we're going to head out to the mall. I'm so excited for that because I need to pick up a few things. So let's keep on going. Happy birthday to me. So then later that night, me and my mom, we went to the mall again for the first time in a year since all of this COVID craziness started. So obviously it was a very exciting moment for me to be going back to the mall. And you can see another shot of my outfit here. And what I really wanted to buy myself and treat myself to was Chloe Nomad. So me and my mom, we were on the hunt to see where we can find either a set or something. I couldn't find any sort of value set, so I ended up getting the big bottle of Chloe Nomad, which is one of the greatest perfumes of all time. You guys should definitely check it out. And we just kind of strolled around the mall again, and it was so nice to just be in the mall. And it was a Monday evening, so I wasn't even busy, which I loved. Just checking out what's in the stores. And then I went to this one chocolate shop which has the best hot chocolate. It's called Hotel Chocolat. It's a British chocolate company. Overpriced chocolate, but still delicious. And I really wanted to buy this box of macarons, but they were like $15, and I'm like, no. So I ended up getting this amazing, delicious hot chocolate, which I took home. And to wrap up the day, I had it alongside the last, not the last, it was one of the few remaining pieces of chocolate cake. And that was my indulgence, my birthday weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Hit the thumbs up, comment if you want to see more of these. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.